On the southern coast of the Gulf of Aden sits Somaliland's Berbera Port. It occupies a strategic position in the Horn of Africa and lies on a busy shipping route for traffic to and from the Middle East and Eastern Africa.
Berbera is important to Somaliland, to the Horn of Africa, and to most of the Central African countries.
Through a slow process of showing the world that we are a progressing, safe, hardworking people that strive for socioeconomic freedom, we hope that our plight can be heard and that maybe we can be recognized globally on a diplomatic scale.
Export is livestock has struggled to attract investment needed to unlock its massive potential. Authorities say the port project offers a good start.
I think the future is bright, and the investment in the port is a catalyst to many things happening in Somaliland, which will definitely create.
Thank you for joining me. Let's begin the program from the Horn of Africa. Somaliland is seeking investors to boost trade and ultimately the local economy. The semi-desert territory on the coast of the Gulf of Aden declared its independence from Somalia in 1991. It is a main livestock exporter. The World Bank pegs its gross domestic product at $1.9 billion US. As of 2017, the population of Somaliland stands at 3.5 million. The country has been working to secure recognition as a sovereign nation by the international community. In recent times, it has opened the doors for investors. Internationally acclaimed logistics company DP World has pumped over $400 million to support the government plans for diversification. My colleague Ronald Kato spent a few days in Hargeisa in the port of Berbera. It is the commercial capital of Somaliland. He joins me in the studio to discuss DP World's projects and what this means for the local economy.
Was like, ha! Yeah, that's what you get. I'm claiming independence. You can handle all your drama without me. I'm out. And since 1991, the self-declared state of Somaliland has pretty much operated independently. They have their own government, president, postal system, currency, passport. In fact, if you decide to visit, they even have their own Somaliland visa. They will not accept the Somali visa.